Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add music bot to Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open a new tab and search here hydra.bot, and after opening this website, click on invite and click here and select the server where you want to add the bot. Continue, authorize and verify, and then open your server and go to any text channel and type here full stop setup and hit enter, and here we can see Hydra bot has been successfully set up. And then Hyderabad bot will create a new text channel here with a song. And now I'm going to create a new channel and I'm giving name here music. Create channel. And now open this song channel and full stop play and give the artist name and the music name, and then hit enter, and here we can see our music has been started to play. So this is how we can add music bot to Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute. Thank you for watching.